Hi, welcome to Toolbox Tuesday. Today we've got a thread repair kit, or sump plug repair kit. They're definitely worth having in the toolbox. They're only about £20, so they're not expensive, but they're definitely worth having. As you can see, you get new sump plugs, new sump plug washers, which is just on the right hand side here, look. And then you get a corresponding new thread repair files, which is an M13, an M15, an M17 and an M20. These are all 1.5 as well. Definitely worth having in the toolbox, guys. Thank you.